Hey, what is up guys, this is Yusuf here from TECHDROIDS and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And today we are taking a look at the top 5 PC cases under 50 bucks. So the holiday season is just right around the corner and it's just going to be finishing up. So this is the top 5 PC cases you can use in your next build. And these are under the 50 budget mark, so they will not break your bank and will get you something that's good looking as well as something that's really functional. So without any further ado, if you're feeling excited, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more PC related content like this. I make PC builds, top 5 videos, top 5 PC parts and a whole lot more. So subscribe if you don't want to miss out, and without any further ado, let's get started with the top 5 PC cases under 50 bucks. At number 5, I'd put the Thermaltake Versa H25. Now this is a ATX mid-tower case that has a glass side panel and it's transparent. It supports USB 3.0 and it has a pre-installed fan, and it retails for 39 bucks. So if you're doing a really good budget build, you have really good components, you want something that can, be the companion, a really good companion, something that looks good and will perform as well, so go for the Thermaltake Versa H25 for just $39. At number 4, I put the Thermaltake Versa N21. Now this is something right out of a Transformers movie. So if you want something like that looks out of space and something that looks futuristic, go with this. This has a translucent panel, not a square, not the whole side, but just like a triangular cutout. It also supports USB 3.0 and fan mounts, and there's one fan pre-installed. It retails for 44 bucks and should do really well for your futuristic gaming build. So if you have some good crazy color scheme, this will be available in black and white, so you can get this case for only 44 bucks. At number 3, I've given it to the Corsair Carbide 100R or 100R. This thing supports a glass side panel, USB 3.0 and a ton of fan mounts. Also supports some cable management room and a really good case for just 49 bucks. This is minimal looking, so if you want something that doesn't look really fancy and you want something that should look silent and does the job and does not stand out a lot, this will do the job. The Corsair Carbide 100R. Now number 2 is kind of a mixed bag, and I give it to the Vivosmart Case or the Vivosmart Micro ATX case. This thing has 5 fan mounts, USB 3.0 and a transparent side plate, and retails for only 36 bucks. So if you're on a really tight budget and if you want your money to go in the parts and not on the case, then this is the case for you, the Vivosmart Micro ATX case. Now remember guys, the links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. If you want to buy any of those, feel free to do so on Amazon.com. Now number 1, the best budget case, the best case under 50 bucks goes to the Corsair Carbide Spec 01. Retails for 49 bucks, comes with a LED fan included, ton of fan mounts, USB 3.0, a cable management room, and this is some case out of the other cases mentioned in this video. This supports some really good cable management room. It has a clear side plate, retails for 49 bucks and is meant to be shown off with LED fans. So a really good case. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I mentioned quite a few cases and I hope something matches your liking. So if you want to buy those cases which I mentioned in this video, go down to the description below. The links are in there, and follow me in my social media. That's been it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe to more content like this. This has been Yusuf from TECHDROIDS, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.